here is how you can remove the microphone symbol on your Android phone. Let me talk about it and show you how it would kind of work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you do not miss future videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so the microphone symbol usually appears in the top right portion of the display, and it is there to indicate that some app or service is currently accessing your microphone. So it is a feature for you to know that your microphone is currently being used, and it is sort of a privacy feature because you don't really want to you want to know if your sound is being captured by the device, right? So in order to remove it, you need to at least or at first know what is causing this. So you can swipe down from the top right and see that in my case, for example, if I start a voice recording, I'm going to notice that the microphone icon and symbol is right there, and it's actually used by the voice memos app. So I can either get inside of the app and stop voice recording, I can close the app, but if I want to manage it on a deeper level, it would make sense to go to my settings app, find security and privacy, and then manage the permissions for each service. So in the permissions manager, I can find microphone and then decide which apps have specific access to microphone all the time while using the app or never. So if you feel like a lot of times there is the microphone symbol and some apps are using it even without you knowing, then just make sure that those apps do not have the permission for it anymore. And in most cases, it will get the job done, and the microphone symbol should definitely remove or disappear from there. So it depends on the situation. Obviously, a quick restart of the device or an update to the latest operating system version can also help with that. It depends on what's really going on, but I hope I was able to explain that. Just like all the time, if you have something specific which you wanted to ask, you can use the comment section below. It's possible I'll make more videos about such topics, but thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.